Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do another Halloween look, and this one I'm so excited. I don't know why I haven't done it before. It's one of my favorite Halloween movies of all time, and I'm sure everybody has seen it because it's that good. So I am going to be turning into Winifred Sanderson! Yay! I love Hocus Pocus so much, and so do my girls, so we always watch it on Halloween. So I may look weird right now. I did put like foundation on my lips and stuff, and I kind of brushed out the pomade that I had on my eyebrows because I noticed that she doesn't really have like defined brows or anything, so I want to kind of get close to her look, but I have to have at least something because I have like nothing. I already have my base on and everything, and yeah, my eyes are gonna look weird, but don't worry, I'm gonna fill it up with eyeshadow. So with her, it looks like she has a really blown out, like dark, like smoky, I don't know if it's like, it doesn't look black, it's probably like a dark brown. And I'm gonna do that, and she doesn't have that much on the lower lash line, it seems. So let's get started with this tutorial. Alright, so I'm gonna get started with her eyeshadow. And it looks like I'm gonna have to add some more blush. She has some really like bright pink red cheeks, so I'm gonna have to add more of that. She seems to have a lot more shadow and smoked out up here than down there. All right, so I'm gonna take the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Androgyny palette, and I'm gonna go into Safe Word. And I also will be spraying my hair with red hair spray dye thing I got from the store. This is Be Wild red hair, because she has red hair. Red orange hair, and then I'm going to try to put it up just like hers. I'm trying to get to exactly how it looks on her. So yeah. Go in with is Dominatrix, this bright chocolate brown. Okay, so that's probably about as smoky and brown as I could get up there. I put like a thin line of liquid liner. So I need some very bright pink blush. Oh, I think that could work. Whoa! I'm just gonna use a nude eyeliner pencil in the waterline. This is a really good nude liner. If you need something inexpensive, this is from the drugstore. It's the Rimmel Scandal Eyes 24-hour wear waterproof kohl eyeliner pencil. And it's good. It's like really like, so she's got like a nude waterline like that, and then like right at the lash line it's got like a black. And then I'm going to put some lower lash mascara on. Okay, now for the lips. Okay, we're gonna let that dry. It looks so funky. And I'm gonna put on her like buck teeth situation. Sisters! Hey guys, welcome back. So this is the finished look and I am loving it. I think I did pretty good. I mean, I wasn't sure how the process was going, but I love how it turned out. Makes me want to watch some Hocus Pocus. What else does she say? Brood push and suck the lives out of the children of Salem before sunrise. Otherwise it's cursed. We evaporate. We cease to exist. Dost thou comprehend? Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video of this awesome Winifred Sanderson Halloween look. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! You know, I have the beauty of editing you out.
Bleh.
Oh, honey, please. I should keep that in for the bloopers.
See the picture.
The mouth is gonna be hard. Stop! Ew! Get your nasty feet off me. Need some paint. Ooh. What the hell happened there? Son of a bee. Twist the bone and the nubber.